Well, hey guys, welcome to the another video for
And we're
tonight.
playing Minecraft.
Yeah, Minecraft.
I hope you like Minecraft and comment on our
Like, comment, and subscribe for new. Click the notification
bell
bell.
and
If you wanna see new videos.
and I don't want to say this. I don't want to say.
Say it right now.
I
Join
don't
me in
know
my game.
English. I don't know English anymore.
What you
Just
gonna
wait.
say?
Wait. And leave a like. And subscribe my channel, Jasmine Kapule.
And Vanessa Torres. That's my account now. That's my mother's name. And I forgot to change it.
Our name of the game, and our game is always
Online.
online, and
We gonna live the other video.
yup. And this Minecraft is PE. We're playing PE. And you know how to get that? Go to Google and get on search
Yeah.
search in the Google and search Aptoid, and you see that Aptoid, not Aptoid, install Aptoid.
Now play. You are
your
gonna
search
join.
wanna
Now play.
what?
Play
And
right now.
if you know how to work a internet, just
Watch on our channels to find out.
yeah.
The next video is funnest. We are gonna hack the app. The
We're
Minecraft.
hacking a lot of coins. And comment what do you want to hack.
We are gonna answer it.
Yeah.
If you wanna like, sub, and subscribe, and comment, and follow us, notification us to a new video if you wanna see.
I'm not joining that game. I'm just watching that.
Yeah.
And
I
we're
don't
gonna play
Minecraft
tomorrow a
to play.
specialist super truck. Joke. I will gonna play
Roblox.
Subway Surfers. And we're gonna play Roblox.
The first is Roblox. We're gonna play boys and girls.
Yeah, and we're gonna get some VIP, and my skin is VIP Rich Dragon. You're gonna say we're gonna play. My brother is my owner. I'm a pet.
Yeah.
What you doing in there? Wood and
tomorrow I'm gonna go to school. My sister is not go to school because they don't have
I will take care about the subscribers and make sure to my brother wants a 1,000 likes. That's subscribe and likes.
Help us to make a 1,000 subs.
Yep.
Please
and add us on Roblox to follow us gaming and you'll see.
We are live. You are a contestant.
Yeah, you're gonna see what you're doing in there in the video. And
You
let's
are
play
you are in.
Let's play Minecraft for now. Don't talk. Just think about the Minecraft.
I'm gonna show you tomorrow the Minecraft how to download.
And comment
Like and
comment-
comment and subscribe for new
comment
videos.
if you want to hack, how to hack, and we're gonna answer it, and we're gonna love it. If you want funny things, say to us, and we're gonna make a Stickman.
Adventures.
Nope, Stickman animations.
Yeah. If you wanna like, share and subscribe, make sure to tap the notification
Bell. And we're gonna show you a seed
lot
from
of-
this
Yeah.
seed. I will gonna show tomorrow or today.
No,
Let's
tomorrow.
see what's doing to this game. You wanna fishing
No,
or inventory?
I don't have.
What is that stick you using?
Oh man,
I
we're gonna
thought you
die.
used a stick.
Oh,
What? You stuck and destroyed it. We're gonna get some stones. Stones. I'm joking. I don't wanna see.
I'm gonna build a stair because I forget to draw in that.
I love inventory. Like
Tomorrow.
Minecraft inventures. That's my favorite.
Tomorrow we're gonna play
If
Minecraft
you wanna
together.
know our birthday,
It's January 7th.
that's right.
Late.
I'm 9. My brother is 11. Don't forget it. And we're gonna show you how to get a new games. Slitario, that's my favorite. Slitario. I'm a high score to that Slitario. And follow our Instagram. What's name again? Okay, tomorrow I will show my name of Instagram.
Yeah.
And dun sa ay not in, my banner's name is Real Vanessa Torres. But is Kapule. Vanessa Kapule. And follow my mom, Vanessa Torres, in the Instagram. If you want to follow.
Leave the comment in the description if you wanna see new
And-
videos.
And this is new YouTube channel. Please, this is just a 1 subscribers. Don't just quiet. Let's see what. What you're doing in there?
Tomorrow we're gonna play Roblox with my friend Jasmine.
Bye. And we're gonna go to prison life. We're gonna
Yeah.
escape and Mip City. The first prison life. Mip City Boys and Girls Dance Club. The first I want tomorrow when is 5 p.m. I want prison life.
Bye guys. See you tomorrow. This is 10 minutes only video. Bye. Sorry.
Sorry, tomorrow we're gonna continue this thing.
We're gonna sleep now.
And
I'm
I'm
gonna...
got to go in school tomorrow, not a gata. Not a gata, God,
You're gonna go to school tomorrow.
not me.
Me.
Yeah, you. Because it's the test. It's Monday. Yeah, test.
Subscribe, like, comment,
And we're gonna
notification us.
continue this game. Bye, guys.
Bye. We're gonna continue this tomorrow.
Bye.
If I gonna...
Go to school.
School.
I'm continuing this game tomorrow when my brother is gone, right? I'm gonna try some
If I'm
inventions.
here, if my school is
John,
already done, we are gonna...
play
Roblox.
Minecraft and we're gonna continue this when it's
Tomorrow.
5.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's midnight now and it's 1 in my house.
And the next one is draw my life about that. That's too long to make it.
We don't have chalkboards, but we have
I know whiteboard,
whiteboard. I mean,
not a chalk something. Wait it. Why are you drowning? Okay, and subscribe my friend Angela.
Rainbow hug.
That's the Rainbow Hug. Angela Rainbow Hug. That's my favorite channel because that's my classmate. And we love cats.
Yeah, we love Dennis.
Animals.
Animals like cats.
And we're not good at English.
Yeah, we are Filipino. Sorry guys. We are English too. We are US citizen now.
And we're in here in Philippines.
We are.
And who your favorite?
Who are your favorite YouTubers? Tell us if you wanna.
And we favorite gamer Chad and
Choose your
gamer
YouTubers.
Chad, Dante DM, tsaka and
Dennis.
Dennis.
The Pals. Dennis Sketch. And Alex
I
Cole.
like
And
Dante DM. That's why I like Minecraft.
see ya tomorrow.
Bye.
Sorry,
We're
guys.
gonna continue this game
Tomorrow.
Leave a like and subscribe from 1,000 likes and 1,000 subscribers.
Please help us reach 1,000 subs for
And likes.
your likes.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.